Hi everyone, ready to connect your JBL Charge free speaker via Bluetooth? Let's simplify the steps for pairing it with your device. Turn on your speaker by pressing the power button. You will hear a short sound. The power button will light up first. The battery indicator will light up to showing the current battery level. Put your speaker into pairing mode by pressing the Bluetooth button. The power button will be blinking blue and you will hear a pairing sound. Connect to your device. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your device. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and it will start searching for new devices. Select JBL Charge Free from the list. Wait for a moment until the pairing is done. You will hear a sound from your speaker and the power button will be solid blue, showing it's connected. Thanks for watching. You will find more tips for your speaker in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe so our channel pops up first when you search for solution.